Alright, here we're at Penwood Crossing Mobile Home Park. Another beautiful JC heating installation of a package unit. Guys are just finishing up the job, and we're getting ready to start up. You can see how we put our units tight to the mobile home. There's no coil in the back of this unit, so it can be installed tight, unlike the competitors' models. And that's one of the reasons why we use the Amana unit. We removed the old concrete pad that was unlevel and not properly sized. Sunk these two pads leveled and got the unit up off the ground. So it won't rot, it keeps the weeds away, and we don't have to worry about the landscapers weed whacking the coils. Also, our coil is a protected coil, prevents rocks from being shot by the lawnmower and busting the coil open. This has all new ductwork that we had to run underneath the trailer. The ductwork was, number one, falling apart, and number two, it was improperly sized for the size of the unit. So that could have led to the early failure of the old unit. And it also had a freon leak, and that coil was unprotected. And there goes the old dinosaur there. And you can see how small the takeoffs were for the ductwork. This is the high efficiency unit, which is using ECM motor technology. This is a high efficiency motor, uses 80% less electricity than a standard blower motor. It is also computer controlled, will compensate for a dirty air filter or problems with the existing hard trunk ducts underneath the trailer. Have a nice new disconnect here with a new whip, all new wiring. As you can see, this unit is using all aluminum coil, causing the high efficiency. This is the higher efficiency unit. As you can see, we invest in top tools to test and make this unit adjusted for the maximum efficiency. These are very expensive electronic digital manifold sets. All of our technicians carry these. Hello.